Hey, this is Aaron with SimpleTix. I'm going to show you a cool new feature that we just added for Valas about a week ago. So if you're buying a party barn, we're going to offer Square upsells, but people might skip it, and we're going to offer a way to get those upsells after the order is complete. Let me show you how it works. So I'm going to grab tickets right now. Basically, here's an interactive chart of all the different party areas. I'll grab this one right here. And actually, I'm going to put in a promo code just to get a free order. All right, so I got a free order here. I'm gonna click checkout, and on the next page, it's gonna have the Square upsells. So these are all different Square upsells, right? So I don't know, maybe I'm bringing someone that might not want a pizza and I don't wanna know, like I don't know what to order right now, right? So I'm gonna click skip and go to checkout, and I'm gonna check out right now. So pay and check out right now. Let me do that real quick. So putting in the details, putting in the time for the catering, where I like the food delivered, the name of the party, and I agree, and I'll click purchase. Now, at this point, the order is now complete, and I didn't get my upsells, right? The benefit of the upsells is when you scan their ticket, you also know that they have upsells, that the little icon will be there. But also, like, the staff know that that person got like s'mores and a charcuterie board or something like that. So at this point, someone's got a party barn with no food. Well, let me show you the new feature we just released today. So the bit of a background to set up is over, if you want anything special in the order confirmation email, you put a link, but there's one special link that you'll see right here that says catalog.simpletix.com/order/order identifier with hashtags around it. Don't worry, I'll give you this so you can copy paste it into your system if you're using this feature. But when somebody clicks this link, let me show you the magic. So here's the order confirmation email, and it says catering menu right here. And now when I click on it, you'll see all of those Square upsells are now on this page. So here's my original order. This is the party barn I got. And if I wanted to get the hot dogs and s'mores, I just click here. If I want to get a pizza, I can click here. And now I can click checkout and pay for those items. And guess what? Those items are linked to my specific order, which is this specific party barn right here, party barn number 27. So this is a great way if you want to do reminders to people that like didn't get their upsells, like, hey, click here to do it. You can do an email blast with that URL. But the key thing is on that order confirmation email, there was that link. So even if people did get a pizza, but later on they're like getting a little bit more hungry, they can always open that order confirmation email at any time and click that link and add items to their order. Well, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you like it, just let us know. Thanks a lot. Bye now.